the 2013 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.